can't stay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella Popa. I'm a 15-year-old full-time travel blogger, lifestyle blogger, fashion, food, fitness. I love health and fitness. I also love self-development and personal growth. So all of my videos have a combination of all of that because that's what I love. I'm also an actress and a singer, so I also do some of that on my pages, and I just love spreading positivity. So today I'm filming a what I eat in a day, and it's kind of a day in the life and a what I eat in a day because I'm actually going to a concert tonight and I'll bring you guys with me. And I also showed a little bit of my gym routine in this video. So it's a little bit of a compilation of a day in the life / what I eat in a day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Good morning, you guys. So today I'm filming a what I eat in a day video, and I'm starting off this morning with this green spirulina banana date smoothie, and this is going to be my pre-workout meal. I had half of a mini seedless watermelon for my pre-breakfast snack earlier, and that was really yummy. Watermelons are kind of going out of season right now, but it was really good. So good. I love putting dates because they don't fully break down, so you get little crunchy pieces of date. I love it. I use Medjool dates, and this is really yummy. I added protein powder also, and then I'm about to head off to the gym. Okay guys, so I'm headed off to the gym. I'm gonna do a quick little session, get some energy out because I have lots of it, and I just like moving my body, and then I'm going to maybe make some oats. We'll see when I get back what I'm feeling. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me to the gym, so let's go. Guys, so I just got back from the gym and I'm hungry, so I'm making some post-workout protein oats. So I'm going to make these instant oats. They're organic oats with a little bit of protein powder, cashew coconut milk, this beautiful papaya, and hemp hearts. The oats I made earlier after my workout, and we're about to go to a concert, but I'm gonna make a lunch full before we go because I know I'm gonna be hungry because it's gonna be a few hours before we go to dinner after. So I'm gonna make a little salad bowl with hummus and black beans and those purple potatoes that I showed you guys that I baked a couple days ago. So yeah, I'm gonna make that right now. Okay guys, so my little quick lunch is ready and it looks so yummy. I made a Mexican salad bowl with avocado, black beans, sweet potato, radish, sauerkraut, and hummus, and I put some hemp seeds in the middle. And it is so pretty, and I made a avocado rose, and I'm really excited to eat this, so here we go. then after, when I mix everything up. Okay, so I'm all ready for the concert. Got my denim jacket and my dress and my heels, and I'm excited. See you guys at the concert. Where are we going?
Andy and Minnie on the Cray concert.
Woo! Started at 7, but actually video doesn't go on until 9:45, right? 9:45 tonight. So it's currently almost 7, so we're gonna chill for a bit, and then the first act goes on at 7:30. So we're gonna go there at about 7:30, but until then we're just chilling, and I guess it's gonna be a later night than we expected, but still really fun, and we get to see Lecrae and Minio, so we're excited. Hey guys, so we are still here at dinner. This is my cousin Emma, and we're gonna go home and watch a fun movie instead of going to the concert, because apparently he doesn't go on until 10 p.m. and we're tired and we just want to have some fun, so we're gonna head back. Is it recording? Yeah. So we just got back to our home and we're just showing them the pool. It's really pretty right now. Look at all the buildings and the lights, and it's a perfect time of evening, and then Emma and I are gonna go watch a movie. Aww. So we're gonna have some fun. That's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that lets me know that you guys really like my videos and you want more, and I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do daily updates on my Instagram and my stories and my Facebook. I post travel content and tips all the time also. This is just a fun one to do when we're home and not traveling. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!